BISSELL CleanView Bagless Upright Vacuum with OnePass Technology, 1330. Keep cleaning simple and effective with the BISSELL CleanView Vacuum with OnePass Technology. This lightweight vacuum features OnePass technology, with powerful suction and an innovative brush design, that cleans on initial pass. The features of BISSELL CleanView Bagless Upright Vacuum with OnePass Technology, 1330. OnePass Technology provides powerful, non-stop suction with an innovative brush design to clean on the initial pass. Includes TurboBrush Tool, Bottom Easy Empty Dirt Tank, Washable Foam Tank Filter, a 2-year limited warranty, and crevice tool, located inside the extension wall. Multi-level filtration helps to reduce household allergens. Cyclonic System for long-lasting, powerful suction and a lightweight design. 25-foot power cord.